Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this review, we will examine Page Optimizer Pro features, the pricing, and the real world results to determine whether it's the SEO game changer you've been waiting for. So to get started, Page Optimizer Pro is like a coach for your web page. It helps you write content that search engine loves. Think of it as a super bright tools that also gives you advice on how to improve your website. It examines your website page and gives it an optimization score, which tells you how well your page is performing. And also, Page Optimizer Pro then show you an exact what to change to improve your score and rank higher in Google search results. Also, it's a super easy to use. You can even use it with a Google Doc. Page Optimizer Pro help you create optimized content and get seen online. Now talking about the top benefit of Page Pro Optimizer, it comes with an improved Google ranking together with an increased website traffic, and also easy to use with an easy intuitive interface. It also help you save time and maximize your stress. It also help with a data-driven insight, which create a full insight into your data analysis, then generate a good content out of your SEO. It also help you boost your signal, which help you boost your signal, also optimize your existing content, and also give you access to some key important features. Now talking about the pricing plan for this website, it comes with a basic plan, a premium plan, and ultimate plan together with a sub account plan. So you can just get back to the website to check out which list of plan would be a better option for you to use for your business. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this here website. Thanks.